trigonometric function. In the last lecture, we have studied about half angle formulae. So many half angle formulae we have studied in 11th standard that we are using for solving the examples for trigonometric function. In 12th standard, we are studied about sin a by 2, cos a by 2, tan a by 2, Heron's formula and Napier's analogy. Today, I am teaching you about trigonometric function with half angle formulae examples and Napier's analogy examples. For solving trigonometric function example, we must know about trigonometric formulae. We have already studied and also know about factorization formulae. Trigonometric function of angle and angle of triangle. We know that A, B, C are the angle of a triangle. A plus B plus C is equal to pi. This is the condition that the angle of triangle satisfy the trigonometric ratio of this angle satisfy some special relation that you have studied 11th standard. Example half angle formulae examples. First example, in triangle ABC, if A is equal to 18, B is equal to 24 and C is equal to 30, then find the value of cos A, sin A by 2, cos A by 2, tan A by 2, area of triangle ABC, sin A, tan A. In this example, given values are A, B and C. A, B and C. A, B and C be the length of side of triangle. A is equal to 18, B 24, C is equal to 30. We know that perimeter formula twice S is equal to A plus B plus C, sum of side of triangle. Substituting value of A, B and C, twice S is equal to 18 plus 24 plus 13. Twice S is equal to, addition of this number is equal to 72. Therefore, dividing on both sides by 2. Therefore, S is equal to 36. Second example, cos A. We know that cosine rule, Cauchy statement, we have already studied. Cos A, cosine rule, B square plus C square minus A square by 2 BC. Substituting value A, B and C. Put B is equal to 24 square, C value 30 square and A is equal to minus 18 square by denominator 2 into 24 into 30. 24 square 576 plus 30 square 900 minus 18 square 324 by multiplication 2 into 24 into 30 multiplication 1440. Numerator addition 1152. By calculation answer 4 by 5. Next example, sin a by 2. We know that sin a by 2 we have already studied last lecture. Sin a by 2, cos a by 2 formula, tan a by 2 formula. Sin a by 2 is equal to under root of s minus b, s minus c by bc. Substituting value, under root of s 36 minus 24, second bracket 36 minus 30, put c is equal to 30, by denominator 24 into 30. Next steps, 36 minus 24, subtraction 12, 36 minus 30, subtraction 6 by 24 into 30. Next is equal to 1 by calculation 1 by 10, under root of 1 by 10, that is 1 by root 10. Cos a by 2, cos a by 2 half angle formula, cos a by 2 is equal to under root of s minus a by bc. Put s is equal to under root of 36 in bracket 36 minus 18 by 24 into 30. 36 minus 18, subtraction 18, is equal to under root of 36 into 18 by denominator 24 into 30. Next steps is equal to by calculation under root of 9 by 10. Under root of 9 is equal to 3 by root 10. Next example, tan a by 2. Tan a by 2, tan theta formula sin theta by cos theta. Tan a by 2 write as sin a by 2 by cos a by 2. Substituting sin a by 2 and cos a by 2 value. Sin a by 2 is equal to 1 by root 10. Cos a by 2 is equal to 3 by root 10. Root 10 get cancel. Is equal to 1 by 3. Next example, to find area of triangle ABC. We know that Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Substituting value s 36 in bracket 36 minus 18. Substituting s and b value, second bracket 36 minus 24 and third bracket 36 minus 30. Next steps, under root of 36. 36 minus 18, subtraction 18. 36 minus 24, 12. 36 minus 30, 6. 12 into 6, 72. 72 write as 18 into 4. 18 into 4. Under root of 36 means 6. Under root of 324. 18 into 18, 324. 324 square root 18. Under root 4 square root 2. 6 into 18 into 2 multiplication 216 square unit. Next example, to find the value of sin A. To find the value of sin A. Area of triangle ABC is equal to formula 1 by 2 BC sin A, 1 by 2 CA sin B, 1 by 2 AC sin 1 by 2 BC sin A, 1 by 2 AC sin B and 1 by 2 AB sin C. Area of triangle ABC is equal to value 216. 216 is equal to 1 by 2 into substituting B and C value, B 24 into 30 into sin A. Therefore, sin A is equal to 216 by 12 into 30. 216 by 360 is equal to, by calculation, answer 3 by 5. Next find tan A. Tan A write as sin A by cos A. Sin A value 3 by 5 and cos A answer 4 by 5. 5 get cancel is equal to 3 by 4. Next example, in any triangle ABC, prove that sin B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by A cos A by 2. In triangle ABC, we know that sine rule statement, A by sin A, B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to K. A is equal to K sin A, B is equal to K sin B and C is equal to K sin C. In this example, first write as RHS side. RHS side B minus C by A cos A by 2. Substituting value B, C and A. B is equal to K sin B minus K sin C by K sin A into cos A by 2. Numerator and denominator. Numerator taking K common. K get cancel. Remaining terms sin B minus sin C by sin A into cos A by 2. Numerator using factorization formula, sin C minus sin D. We know that sin C minus sin D formula. Sin C minus sin D formula 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Here C replaced by B and D replaced by C. In this formula, C replaced by B and D replaced by C. is equal to 2 cos b plus c by 2 into sin b minus c by 2 by denominator sin a formula, half angle formula, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 into cos a by 2. Next steps, 2 get cancel. Cos a by 2, cos a by 2 also cancel. Remaining terms, cos b plus c by 2 sin b minus c by 2 by sin a by 2. Next steps, we know that a plus b plus c is equal to pi. A plus b plus c is equal to pi. B plus c is equal to pi minus a. Dividing on both sides by 2 because here term cos b plus c by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. Taking cos on both sides, cos b plus c by 2 write as cos pi by 2 minus a by 2 into sin b minus c by 2 by sin a by 2. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin a by 2 into sin b minus c by 2 by denominator sin a by 2. Sin a by 2 sin a by 2 get cancel is equal to sin b minus c by 2 is equal to LHS side. Hence prove. Next example, prove that in bracket b plus c minus a tan a by 2 is equal to c plus a minus b tan b by 2 is equal to a plus b minus c tan c by 2. In this example, first term b plus c minus a tan a by 2. First bracket adjustment b plus c minus a term. My adjustment write as a plus b plus c minus 2a into tan a by 2 half angle formula s minus b under root of s minus b s minus c by s minus a. Tan a by 2 formula we have already studied last lecture. Under root of s minus b s minus c by s into s minus a. But a plus b plus c is equal to twice s minus twice a into under root of s minus b s minus c by s minus a. We know that rationalization x by root x root x. Here s by s minus a by under root of s minus a. Rationalization under root of s minus a is equal to 2 under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c by denominator s. Similarly, second, same method, C plus A minus B tan B by 2. In bracket also adjustment, here subtract term, minus term C minus C. Adjustment in bracket A plus B plus C minus 2C into tan B by 2 half angle formula under root of S minus A S minus C by S minus B. A plus B plus C twice S minus twice B into under root of S minus A S minus C by S minus B. Again taking rationalization. Twice S minus twice B, taking 2 common. S minus B by under root of S minus B is equal to under root of S minus B. 2 into under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C by S. Next find A plus B minus C tan C by 2. Again first bracket adjustment, A plus B plus C minus 2C tan C by 2 half angle formula S minus A S minus B by S minus C. A plus B plus C is equal to twice S minus twice C into under root of S minus A S minus B by S minus C. Taking 2 common, S minus C by under root of S minus C. Taking rationalization, S minus C by under root of S minus C is equal to under root of S minus C is equal to 2 into under root of S minus A S minus B S minus C by S. From 1, 2 and 3 same answer. 2 into under root of S minus A S minus B S minus C by S. Therefore, B plus C minus A tan A by 2 is equal to C plus A minus B tan B by 2 is equal to A plus B minus C tan C by 2. Hence, proved. Next example. Show that sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2 is equal to area of triangle ABC whole bracket square by a denominator ABC as for triangle ABC. In this example, first write as LHS side. LHS side, sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Using half angle formula, sin A by 2 half angle formula, sin A by 2 under root of S minus B, sin A by 2 half angle formula S minus A S minus B S minus C, sin B by 2 S minus A S minus C by AC, sin C by 2 under root of s minus a, s minus b by ab. Sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2 half angle formula. We have already studied in last lecture. Is equal to first under root, second term and third under root. S minus a, s minus a, s minus a whole bracket square. S minus b, s minus b, s minus b whole bracket square. S minus c, s minus c, s minus c whole bracket square by denominator bc into ac into ab, that is a square, b square, c square. Taking square root, under root of s minus a whole bracket square, s minus a, s minus b bracket square, s minus b, s minus c bracket square, s minus c by a, b, c. But RHS side is equal to denominator a, b, c, s, numerator and denominator multiplying by s, denominator abcs. Numerator, we know that area of triangle ABC formula under root of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. In this formula, squaring on both sides, a area of triangle ABC whole bracket square is equal to s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is equal to area of triangle ABC whole bracket square by ABCS is equal to RHS side. Next example, in triangle ABC, prove that cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 is equal to a plus b plus c by b plus c minus a cot a by 2. Here LHS side first. Cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. We know that cot theta reciprocal tan theta. Cot theta write as 1 by tan theta. Cot a by 2 is equal to 1 by tan a by 2, 1 by tan b by 2, 1 by tan c by 2. Using half angle formulae, tan a by 2, tan b by 2 and tan c by 2. Tan a by 2 formula under root of s minus b, s minus c by s, s minus a. Taking reciprocal of this formula, s, s minus a in by denominator s minus b, s minus c. Similarly, second, tan b by 2, half angle formula under root of s minus a, s minus c by s, s minus b. Taking reciprocal under root of s, s minus b by s minus a, s minus c. Similarly, third, plus under root of s, s minus c by s minus a, s minus b. Next steps, first term numerator and denominator multiplying by s minus a. Second term adjustment, numerator and denominator multiply s minus b, and third term multiplying by s minus c. First term, second term and third term. First, second and third term denominator same, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Taking root s by under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c term common. In bracket s minus a under root of s minus a whole bracket square is equal to s minus a. Second term write as s minus b, and third term s minus c is equal to under root of s by s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. In bracket s plus s addition 3s minus a minus b minus c, taking minus sign common. In bracket a plus b plus c. But a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c is equal to twice a plus b plus c is equal to twice s. The next steps, under root of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. In bracket 3s minus 2s. Subtraction, 3s minus 2s is equal to s, is equal to s root s by under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now RHS side. RHS side, a plus b plus c by b plus c minus a cot a by 2. We know that a plus b plus c is equal to twice s. Denominator taking adjustment a plus b plus c minus 2a. Cot theta write as 1 by tan theta. A plus b plus c twice s by twice s minus twice a into under root of s, s minus a by s minus b, s minus c. Next steps, twice s by twice s minus twice a, taking 2 common. Twice s minus twice a, taking 2 common. 2 get cancel. S by s minus a is equal to under root of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Next example. In triangle ABC, if ABC are in arithmetic progression, then show that cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in arithmetic progression. In this example, ABC are in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression twice B is equal to A plus C. Now to prove that cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in arithmetic progression, that is to prove 2 cot b by 2 is equal to cot a by 2 plus cot c by 2. Consider RHS side cot a by 2 plus cot c by 2. Cot theta, tan theta reciprocal. Using half angle formula, tan a by 2 and tan c by 2. Here adjustment, numerator and denominator adjustment. First term adjustment, multiply and divide by s minus a, and second under root adjustment s minus c. Next steps, taking root s common, in bracket s minus a plus s minus c, by denominator under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Next steps, s plus s, 2s. 2s write as a plus b plus c. Minus a minus c, taking minus sign common, in bracket a plus c, by under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. A plus c, a, b, c are in arithmetic progression. A plus c is equal to b. A plus c is equal to twice b. Root s, a plus b plus c, minus sign common, in bracket a plus c. Here a and c get cancel. Root s into b, by under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Similarly, same method RHS side, cot b by 2 formula. Hence 2 into tan b by 2 formula reciprocal of this term. In this formula, s under root of s, s minus b, adjustment, numerator and denominator multiply by s minus b. 2 root s, s minus b, into under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Taking root s common, in bracket twice s minus twice b, by under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. But twice b is equal to a plus c. Twice s write as a plus b plus c, changing sign, in bracket minus a minus c. A get cancel, C get cancel. Root s into b, by under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS.